Apple is preparing to enter the foldable market for the first time in 2026, and the arrival of the iPhone Flip is shaping up to be one of the company's most anticipated launches in years. While Samsung has already set the stage with its Galaxy Z Flip 7, Apple is reportedly bringing unique engineering that could redefine the foldable experience. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is working on a liquid metal hinge designed to eliminate the visible and tactile crease that plagues most foldables today. This would not only improve durability, but also provide a seamless display experience, a problem that current flip phones still struggle to solve. For users frustrated by the uneven feeling on existing foldables, this could be Apple's most compelling advantage. Another major improvement revolves around battery technology, historically a weak point for flip devices. Foldables have to split their internal components into two sections, leaving little room for large batteries and often resulting in compromised battery life. Apple is expected to use its new carbon lithium battery technology, the same approach debuting in the iPhone 17 Air, to ensure a thinner design while maintaining strong endurance. This advancement will allow the iPhone Flip to deliver reliable battery life without increasing bulk, a challenge that competing devices have yet to master. The iPhone Flip will also appeal to users who miss Apple's discontinued mini lineup. Devices like the iPhone 12 mini and 13 mini had a dedicated fanbase, and a foldable flip design naturally brings back that ultra-portable form factor. Folded, the iPhone Flip will be compact enough to slip easily into a pocket, yet when unfolded, it will provide a larger display experience closer to Apple's standard flagship phones. For those who loved the convenience of the Mini but wanted a bigger screen on demand, the Flip concept offers the best of both worlds. Even with its smaller size, users should be prepared for slightly lower endurance compared to a standard Pro Max, but the trade-off in portability will likely resonate with that audience. When it comes to pricing, Apple is expected to align the iPhone Flip with the premium foldable market. Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 7 currently retails around $1,099, and industry expectations suggest Apple's baseline model will fall between $1,000 and $1,000, $1,200. As for availability, the iPhone Flip is projected to launch in September 2026, following Apple's usual iPhone release schedule, with an announcement in mid-September and shipments starting shortly afterward. This timeline marks the company's first step into foldables and positions the iPhone Flip as one of the most exciting additions to Apple's lineup in years.